Seumuleung Raja is the traditional heritage of the Lamno people in Aceh Jaya Regency, Aceh.
Dozens of Muslim sovereigns from Aceh Tamiang to Singkil attend this tradition on the 10th of Dhu al-Hijjah. The tradition is also a religious spectacle that can attract visitors.
Seumuleung Raja is a tradition of feeding rice to the king, and in the past this ceremony was carried out by Sultan Inayat Shah at the time of the coronation of his son Halaidin Wiayat Shah as Sultan for Mugham Daya Kingdom. This coronation was held on the same day as Eid al-Adha, which always falls on the 10th of Dhul Hijjah. Now the 13th king of Mugham Daya, Saifullah, becomes the main figure in this traditional ceremony. Besides Sultan Mugham Daya, descendants of other kings from Aceh Tamiang to Singkil also attended the ceremony. The descendants wore traditional attire of each kingdom.
Seumuleung ini terjadi pertama kali pada tahun 1480 Masehi, sekitar 500 sekian yang lalu, 543, yaitu ketika Kesultanan Daya berhasil kembali merebut Kesultanan Daya dari pengaruh Portugis, yaitu Sultan Saladin Alaidin Shah. Jadi pada saat itu beliau belum menjadi sultan, dan pada hari tersebut 10 Zulhijjah itu beliau dilantik sebagai sultan oleh ayahnya sendiri dengan upacara pemenap dan semuleung. Pemenap itu jaga, sulung itu suap. Yang disuap itu adalah seorang raja sebagai penobatan.
Seumuleung is aimed at preserving the traditions and culture of the Mugham Daya Kingdom, which ruled the region from 1480 to 1505.
Sedang orang wang puteng agama, wang pudamang, wang kemang Islam, nan wang nan jet ke panglima. Badung raja lain bisa berteluk kan. Raja Dadim Islam kumpul Islam di Kuala Dao.
Jadi memandum raja di Aceh gejak kena.
Visitors who came to the ceremony also took the opportunity to see the tomb of King Mugham Daya and his family, which is located on the coastal hill. See Today News contemporary reporting from Aceh Jaya, Aceh.
Alright, that was some story from Indonesia.